Good morning, everybody.
We're back.
We're back, and we're flat.
Are you ready to pull out?
I don't pull out.
The Plenum. There we go. There we go. Careful.
I am tempting to.
Scotty's pulling out.
Is there something over here I'm not connected to? Yep, there's
Wiring.
another.
But you gotta get it up a little.
You have to get it up a little.
Yes, Xander. I'm trying to get it with my finger and I can't.
Because your finger's too small, just like your...
Shut up. Scott. There you go.
Nope, there's another
Yeah,
line.
it's right here. Ugh. Xander.
What?
Never mind, I got it. All right.
And there's another one underneath.
It's a connector.
Yep. Yeah, you gotta pop the... There you go.
I'm trying to get my finger in there. Come on, baby.
Come on, baby,
There we
light
go.
his fire.
All right. So, upper plenum is off. Scotty,
Sir,
I know you usually play the skin flute
this is true.
and not the tuned port plenum.
Correct. So now it's rebuild.
Fuel pressure regulator.
Yep.
Not too shabby.
No.
Then we'll clean everything out in here, put the fresh gaskets on, and away we go. They have little push-in pinning thingies. There you go.
Well, I don't want to ruin them in case, for whatever reason, we have to reuse them.
We don't have to. There's a brand new
I understand that, but trust me, with our luck with gaskets lately and O-rings, I'm not taking any chances.
And seals.
Yep. I mean,
Are you? Okay. All right, that's
there
off.
we go.
And now, Scotty's gonna take a little tiny tamper Torx
Mm-hmm.
and undo that and put the new.
No, we're not going to put a new. We're going to rebuild it.
Well,
We're going to make it faster and stronger. We have the technology.
No, you don't.
Come on. What's it from? What's it from?
$6 million man.
Yes, correct.
Can we do it to him? Make him?
I don't think we have enough parts to make him better.
Can we rebuild Bobby?
That would take a lot of parts and time I just don't have in my life. We love you.